Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn some opposite words in Hindi. These words will help us increase our Hindi vocabulary, which will help us learn to speak more sentences in Hindi. So let's get started. Big and small. The Hindi word for big is bada and small is chota. Short and tall. Short is chota and tall is lamba. Chota, short, lamba, tall. Fat and thin. Fat is known as mota, mota, and thin is known as patla, patla. Dirty and clean. Dirty is known as ganda, ganda. Clean is saaf, saaf. Happy and sad. Happy is known as prasanna. Sad is known as dukhi. Happy is prasanna, prasanna. Sad is dukhi, dukhi. Bad and good. Bad is known as kharab, kharab. And good is known as acha, acha, acha. Day and night. Day is known as dina, din. Night is known as raat, raat. Full and empty. Full is known as bhara, bhara. Empty is known as khali, khali. Then comes light and dark. Light is ujala and dark is andhera. Ujala, andhera. Young and old. Bachcha, boodha. Young is bachcha, old is boodha, boodha. Left and right. Left is known as baएं and right is known as दाएं, दाएं. Now this is very important, especially when we are driving, to understand the directions. If you have to turn your car to the right, you'll say दाएं मुड़िए. If you have to turn your car to the left, it will say बाएं मुड़िए. So दाएं and बाएं is important for you to remember. Then comes rich and poor. Rich is dhani, dhani, and poor is gareeb, gareeb. Come and go. Come is ana, ana, and go is jana, jana. Active and lazy. Active is parishrami and lazy is alasi. Parishrami, alasi. Swarg and nark. They stand for heaven and hell. Heaven is suarg, swarg, and hell is narak, narak. Yes and no. Yes is हाँ and no is na. हाँ, yes, no, na. Truth and lie. Truth is sach and lie is jhoot. Sach, jhoot. Truth, lie. Question and answer. Question is prashna. Answer is uttar. Prashn, question. Answer is known as uttar, uttar. Cheap and expensive. Cheap is sasta, 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 and expensive is mahanga, mahanga. Raw and ripe. Raw is kacha, kacha, and ripe is paka, paka. Win and lose. Win is jeet, jeet, jeet. Lose is har, har. Here. Here means yahan and there means wahan. Here is yahan and there is wahan. Asleep and awake. Asleep is sona. Awake jagna. Sona jagna. Up and down. Upar niche. Up is upar and down is niche. Hard, soft. Hard is kadak, kadak. Soft is naram, naram. Friend and foe. Friend is mitra, mitra. And foe is shatru, shatru. Cold and hot. Cold is thanda, thanda. And hot is garam, garam. North and south. North is known as Uttar and south is known as Dakshin. Uttar, Dakshin. East and west. East is known as Purab and west is known as Paschim. Paschim. So friends, I hope you liked the video and I hope this video helped you learn a lot of opposite words which we will use in future to learn how to make comparative statements and also just to describe any picture, any person. It will be a very handy and helpful exercise. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.